Shake your head. Yeah! Yay! I think he hit his eye on my finger or something.
Aww.
Quentin, shake your head. Look. Are you okay? I think he's really worn out.
Quentin.
I think he shook his head too much.
He shook his head too. Quentin.
Quentin, shake your head. Shake your head.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Ow. Quentin, shake your head. Shake your head. Shake your head. Shake your head. Yay! Yay! Oh, mommy's dizzy. Are you dizzy?
Wow, he looks dizzy.